In this video, you'll learn how to create thumbnails for Higgsfield AI videos. By following these steps, you will be able to design engaging thumbnails that enhance your video presentations. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a slow connection may lead to longer loading times. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface where you can start creating your thumbnail. Next, locate and click on the image section that is typically highlighted in the main menu. This will open up a new area where you can begin the thumbnail creation process. Ensure you see the options for image creation before proceeding. After that, click on the button labeled Create Image. This action will take you to a new screen where you can upload an image to use as the base for your thumbnail. If you have a specific image in mind, it's a good idea to check its file size beforehand, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once the upload interface appears, select Upload Image to choose an image file from your device. Make sure the image is of high quality for the best results. After selecting the image, confirm that it has uploaded successfully by checking for a preview on the screen. Then click on the prompt section to enter the description or concept for your thumbnail. This step is crucial as it guides the AI in generating a relevant thumbnail. Be clear and concise in your prompt to achieve the desired outcome. Type in a prompt that articulates what you want for your thumbnail. For example, you could describe the theme or elements you want to include. After entering your prompt, it is important to review it before moving on to ensure it conveys the right message. Click on the Generate button to initiate the thumbnail creation process. At this stage, you may see a loading indicator, which signifies that the AI is processing your request. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your prompt and the current server load. Next, you will be prompted to select a model. Click on the appropriate option that appears on your screen. This selection determines the style and characteristics of the thumbnail you are generating. After selecting the model, proceed to click on Dream 4.5 quote to specify the AI model you wish to use. This model is known for its quality and versatility in generating images. Now click on Quality to choose the resolution of your thumbnail. Selecting a higher quality option will result in a better image, but keep in mind that it may increase the file size. Make sure your storage can accommodate the generated image. Once you have chosen the quality, click on Select Quality to confirm your choice. This step is essential to ensure that the generated thumbnail meets your expectations. Next, click on Aspect Ratio to determine the dimensions of your thumbnail. A common choice is the 1:1 ratio, which is ideal for thumbnails. After that, select 1:1 to set the aspect ratio for your thumbnail. This will ensure that the thumbnail fits well within the platform specifications. Proceed by clicking on Batch Size to specify how many thumbnails you want to generate at once. This option allows for efficiency if you plan to create multiple thumbnails. Then click on Generate once more to start the process of creating your thumbnail. Again, you may see a loading indicator while the system processes your request. Once the generation is complete, click on the image that was created. This action will allow you to view the final thumbnail and determine if it meets your requirements. Finally, you have successfully generated a thumbnail for your Higgsfield AI video. You can now download it or use it as needed for your project.